He's not loud, he's not desperate for attention. He doesn't need to prove anything. Yet everyone feels his presence when he walks in. That's the silent transformation of a high-value man. You don't chase this status, you become it. Here are 7 psychological signs that you're evolving into a man of true value. 1. You choose peace over drama. You no longer react to every insult or argument. You've realized that silence protects your energy more than shouting ever could. You understand that not every situation deserves your reaction. That's emotional maturity, and women feel it. 2. You focus on purpose, not people. You've stopped chasing approval. Your goals are now the priority. Your energy is invested in progress, not validation. That focus builds quiet power, and people naturally respect it. 3. You're comfortable being alone. You've learned that solitude isn't loneliness, it's clarity. Time alone sharpens your identity, your mindset, your vision. Weak men fear being alone. Strong men build in silence, for you control your emotions, not suppress them. You don't let anger, jealousy, or fear control your behavior. You observe your emotions, you don't become them. That emotional awareness separates boys from men. Emotional control is the foundation of masculine power. 5. You don't need to prove your worth. A high-value man never chases validation. He already knows who he is, and that energy commands respect without effort. Confidence whispers, insecurity shouts. 6. You attract through energy, not effort. You no longer try to convince anyone of your value. You simply embody it. People feel it in your tone, your calmness, your decisions. The most magnetic men don't chase, they attract. 7. You protect your peace at all costs. You've learned to walk away from disrespect, from toxic people, from chaos that once excited you. Peace is your new power, and the moment you choose it, you've already become high value. Because being a high value man isn't about perfection. It's about progression and consistency when no one's watching. So if you relate to these signs, you're already becoming the man most people only talk about being.